Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Before we start off, I would like to wish you this coming year, I wish a lot of success and a lot of luck. More than that, health and wealth, along with your safety as well. Let's get started. About today's update, I did not want to miss it just because it's the New Year Eve or something. I just wanted to show you that what were the trades taken, and tomorrow the market is open. My expectation on Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So let's get started. Well, the first stock that I spoke of was Umang Diaries. Umang Diaries was along with Gati, right? Now, Gati did not give any kind of a breakout, so I did not enter any trade in Gati. So there was no update post which I already specify that Umang Diaries already is started giving a up move. Now, from here, when we saw a up move break, right? That is where I had taken my position. My initiation of positions was somewhere around here, and my stop loss was below this. From there, as and when the prices started moving up, this was the first exit that I took, and the second exit that I took was at the upper circuit itself. Now, another stock was Walchand. Walchand Nagar was another stock that I was looking at, and I had updated it on my Telegram channel. For those who are new, can join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. On the break of 72, that is where I had entered my position. Somewhere around here, I had entered my position where my stop losses were below these levels. And when the prices started moving upwards, so my exits were here, mainly because there was price rejection here, and the final exit was at a upper level, at this level here, right? Now, the reason why I exited was, I'd like to show it you on my 1 minute time frame, that the prices did not see any kind of up move from there. That is the reason I exited, and I specified my next entry is only if the prices move above 73.5. Now, Borore New is a stock that I've been following. Yesterday I told you about this as well, right? There might be a gap up. We need to see if it is 5% upper circuit. The circuit was at 5%, but this was a potential great trading stock for the day, mainly because the fluctuations in percentage wise were comparatively bigger. Now, I could not update the final movement or the final trade that I took. There was one order which was already in my system below 300. If the prices go below 300 at market order, I'm going to be entering the stock, and which got executed also and at the lower level, right? The potential of lower circuit on this was comparatively higher, because I've been telling that I'm looking at this for a movement on the downside, and I captured the whole movement mainly because it happened within no time. And if you see, the lower circuit was hit and I exited that as well. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I had specified that 14,000 is a rejection level for Nifty on future chart, right? As and when the prices reached 14,000, that was the first initiation of rejection, and the prices started moving down from there. We saw continuous downside move. From there, when the prices started moving upwards, there was a momentum created, and the prices did break the high as well. Now, today's whole movement was extremely volatile. Let's take a look at what is a possibility for tomorrow, and I'm going to be taking it on the 30 minutes time frame. Now, we know that the prices have not closed above 14,000 yet, so there is still weakness. The closing above 14,000 is going to be somewhat a projection that the prices are going to start moving upwards from there. Now, if the prices do gap down, and I'm expecting if that happens, the lower level, if momentum is created and if we see sell pressure, then the prices can test anywhere close to these levels on initial basis, and if that is broken, then the lower levels of 13,900. Now, this is what my expectation is for tomorrow. But if the prices do gap up and the first half an hour closing is also above 14,000, or probably on a better state, the highest that Nifty is gone, if the closing is above that, then we need to see the price action. My updates will be there on my Telegram channel tomorrow as well. Talking about Bank Nifty I've said that is comparatively weaker to Nifty, and we saw that, right? Now, Bank Nifty is in a range, and more than that, we can actually draw a trend line where the price has been taking support here but getting rejected at the higher levels here. Now, as and when the prices break out or break down from this level, breakout, I'm going to be cautious, but I'm going to be expecting a price movement till this level. But on the lower level of breakdown, my expectation, if there is momentum only, if there is actual selling which is happening, then I'm going to be looking at this level, which is going to be a good profit on the put side if there is momentum. Now, why am I stressing on momentum? Because as option buyer, we need to search for momentum and actual movement which will cause big candles on charts. That is where the money is made. So don't get into any kind of trade in any urgency. Wait for level break in, levels to be broken, I'm sorry. And from there, take your proper calculated risk and decision from there. Now, I hope you guys have got an understanding. For tomorrow, I'm going to be telling again, Borore New is a stock I'm going to be looking at. It is going to gap down. If there is a gap down and the price sustain over a certain period of time, I'm still going to be expecting it to hit minus 5%, or probability is that it opens only and hits minus 5%. So take a look at that tomorrow, and Happy New Year in advance. Stay safe and be more protective about yourself, and don't roam around too much at night. Thank you so much for watching my videos.